Question 24 is saying 100 batteries are tested to see how long they last. The table shows the results. So we have this table of number of hours and the corresponding frequency. And we have a histogram and they have made 1 bar for us. So we have to make the rest. And if you can see on the y-axis, we have the frequency density. And on the x-axis, we have the number of bars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first find the frequency density for each. So they have done the second one for us. Yeah. So frequency density for the first one's frequency density basically has a formula of frequency divided by class width. For the first case, it's going to be our frequency is 10 and class width is 5. So frequency density is 2. Class width is basically distance, the difference of the minimum maximum value of the range. Then for the second, for the third one, frequency is 36. Class width is 9. So that's going to be 4. And for the last one, 30 is the frequency and your class width is 10. So that's going to be 3. So 2, 4, and 3. So for the first one, this is your column. That was 21 to I think 30. So that's going to be at 4. The next one is 30 to 50. 30 to 50 is going to be at 3. Yep. So as your complete histogram.